Hey, what's up? Just got a package here, and let's see what's inside. I guess it's double wrapped. Looks like a cable we have here. And let's see what's that. Oh, look at that. So this is the QYT KT-8900D in black. Cool. Wow. Yeah, it looks nice. Yeah, this is the QYT KT-8900D mini color screen mobile radio. I'm going to use this as a kind of a base. Of course, you got your dual band, quad standby, blah, 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 blah. You get all that. Over here, you got the frequencies, of course. 144 to 148 megahertz, 430 to 440. Actually, yeah, that is the transmit frequency, but there is an unlock. So I can unlock this for GMRS, FRS. So, and the receive frequency is 137 all the way to 480. So this could be a nice little scanner too. And yes, I paid a total of $68.13 from an eBay seller. And of course, this is thank you to the donations and also the YouTube payment recently. So this is one of the radios that I bought. The other one is on the way. I will talk about that in a later date. So let's open it up. Okay. Let's take it out of the box. Here it is. Of course, you got your user manual right here. User manual. Okay, user manual. Put this over there. Of course, you got your microphone. Okay. And you have your mounting brackets for the microphone, excuse me. You have some screws and you have a fuse. And you have this mounting bracket. And I have a plan to, I'm thinking about using this in the basement. And this is the radio. Let me take it out the plastic. You can see it's pretty small. And of course I need a power supply with. So I'm going to use a temporary power supply, which I also, until, of course this says it can transmit up to 25 watts. Real world, claims more like 8 to 9 watts. Okay. Looks pretty cool. It's metal. Plastic face. And of course, there's a 239 right there. Nice little fan there. And this is going to be a fun little radio. Like I said, for the new year, I want to less FT8 and more SSB on, 10 meters and all that. And of course, when I get my general, whatever. But this is for the 2 meter, 70 centimeter. And also, like I said, there is an unlock. You have to do some button thingy going on. You can unlock the GMRS. So I can also use it as a GMRS kind of base unit, which is pretty cool. Okay. So let's put the box over here. And they also included this is the cable. So have that open. Yep. This is the programming cable right here. So all I need now is the power supply. And like I said, I'm going to use a temporary one. I actually ordered one of those Songi, those power boards that turns the computer power supply into just for listening. And then eventually, when I buy another computer power supply, I'm going to switch over one of them to this one. So there you go. So this is my kind of, I won't say gift to me, but thank you for you guys for the super chats and all that. This is one of the radios that I bought. The other one will be here probably in the next couple of weeks. That one is coming all the way from China. And I'll talk about that in a later video. So there you go. So if you like this video, smash the like button. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.